Now come to fifth part, that is some special cases. Come to exercise 4.5. Draw the following. Question number 1. The square READ with RE equal to 5.1 centimeter. Let us draw a rough sketch of this quadrilateral. Say R E A D. Here RE equal to 5.1 centimeter. Since we know that all the sides of square are equal, therefore all sides will be of 5.1 centimeter. Also, corner angle of square is 90 degree. So let us take R equal to 90 degree. Let's start the construction. Let us draw line segment RE equal to 5.1 centimeter. Now from R, draw an angle of 90 degree. Now we center R and radius 5.1 centimeter. Cut an arc intersecting ray AX at D. Now we center D and same radius 5.1 centimeter. Cut an arc. We center E and same radius. Cut this previous arc somewhere at E. Join AD and AE. Write the dimensions. AE equal to 5.1 centimeter. DA equal to 5.1 centimeter. DR equal to 5.1 centimeter. Angle R equal to 90 degree. Then READ is the required square. Now come to next. Question number 2. A rhombus with diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter long. So let us draw a rough figure. Let us name it as A, B, C, D. Let us take one diagonal. Let us take diagonal AC equal to 5.2 centimeter and diagonal BD equal to 6.4 centimeter. Now let's start the construction. Draw AC equal to 5.2 centimeter. Now draw perpendicular bisector of AC, that is with center A and radius more than half of AC. Draw two arcs, one above and one below AC. Now we center C and same radius, cut these two arcs. Let it be X and Y. Join X and Y. Let A, AC and XY intersect at O. Now we center O and radius half of second diagonal, that is half of BD. That is half of 6.4 centimeter, that is 3.2 centimeter. So we center O and radius 3.2 centimeter. Cut the line XY, one above and one below. At B and D. Join AB, BC, CD and AD. Write the dimension. OD equal to 3.2 centimeter. OB equal to 3.2 centimeter. Then ABCD is the required rhombus. Now come to next. Question number 3. A rectangle with adjacent sides of length 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So let us draw a rough sketch of this rectangle. Let us name it as A, B, C and D. AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 4 centimeter. Since opposite sides of rectangle are equal, therefore AB equal to CD equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to AD equal to 4 centimeter. Also, corner angle of rectangle is 90 degree, therefore angle A equal to 90 degree. Now let's start the construction. Here draw line segment AB equal to 5 centimeter. With center A, draw an angle of 90 degree. Now with center A and radius 4 centimeter. Cut an arc intersecting ray AX at D. Now with center D and radius 5 centimeter, cut an arc. With center B and radius 4 centimeter, cut another arc intersecting previous arc at C. Join CD and BC. Write the dimensions. BC equal to 4 centimeter, CD equal to 5 centimeter. Then ABCD is the required rectangle. Now come to next. Question number 4. A parallelogram OKAY, where OK equal to 5.5 centimeter, K equal to 4.2 centimeter. Is it unique? Let us draw a rough figure. O K A Y. OK equal to 5.5 centimeter. K equal to 4.2 centimeter. Now in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Therefore, OK equal to YA equal to 5.5 centimeter and AK it is equivalent to OY equal to 4.2 centimeter. Here what we observe that only 4 measurements we are able to know, but for constructing a quadrilateral minimum 5 measurements are required. So this parallelogram cannot be constructed.